Hello everyone, this is Kathy and Kelsey from Franklin Natural Beauty. Welcome to our channel. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for watching. If you're not, please subscribe. And today we're making our monkey fart soap. We are remaking it. We are revamping it. So we made some really cute, as you can see, fruit over here. They're going to be embeds on top. They're going to go on top of our monkey fart soap. And we have titanium dioxide, some blue over here, blue mica from Brambleberry. Which one is that, Kelsey? This is the blue one.
The blue mica.
It's just blue mica? That's what it's called? Yeah, it's just blue mica. It's really, really blue. Look. And then we have atomic orange from Nurture Soap. And then over here we have Kelly Green Mica from Brambleberry again. And the Trial by Fire is the red, really red, nice mica, okay? And of course we're going to use our monkey fart. Fragrance oil and some titanium dioxide to make it white. Alright guys, let's go and make the soap. Okay guys, so we're gonna do our usual thing. We're gonna melt our solid oils. In here I have palm oil and coconut oil, and I'm gonna do the heat transfer method. So with my lye over here, my solution is 170 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm just gonna put them in here. Put the lye solution in there. Alrighty then, and we're gonna melt those, and we're gonna come back and just put the other liquid oils in there. This is our usual recipe, and with palm oil, like I said before, palm oil and coconut oil, and in the liquid oils we have castor oil, sweet almond oil, and olive oil. Okay, so I'll be back in a sec. Alright, we're back, and I'm going to prep my liquid oils now. I'm going to put a little bit of ground up oatmeal here, because it's so good for the skin. And we sell this soap for kids, a lot of it. And we did one other video before, and then we are revamping it because we just want to make it more fun. And then I am going to put some coconut milk in there too. There it is. Beautiful, luscious, organic coconut milk. And I'm going to blend it a little bit. And then guys, we will come back. Okay, so let's combine those oils here. Combine them, and we're going to blend it together. We emulsify it, all of it together. And then we're going to split it in 4 parts. Actually 5, because we're going to have the base is going to be white. We're going to do a drop swirl, yeah, a drop swirl. So, so good. And by the way, I forgot, I also have in here sodium lactate. 1 teaspoon per pound of oils, and this is a 5-pound batch. So let's do this. Okay, we're back, and I split my battery in 4 little batches over here, and those little containers over here, and I have a bigger container where I'm going to do with the titanium dioxide. But before I do that, I'm going to put my other colors in there. So that's what I'm going to do, and mix them up. And then we're going to do this, our drop swirl in our little molds. Alright, so it's time to put our fragrance oil in here. Well, let's see. I'm going to put on all those little ones here too. Mostly in here, in my white. It's going to be the base for our soap. There we go. And there we go. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna mix this up by hand because I don't want it to get too thick. But fragrance oil needs, or essential oil, they need to be mixed up really well, because if you don't, what happens, and it happened to me, it gets those really little yellow spots all over the place when it cures. And we don't want that. So we're just gonna be mixing this and come back and we'll pour in the mold. Okay, so let's put the base in. These are gonna be a little bit here. Okay, let's start with the red. Let me mix it up a little bit. Alright, so we're going to do the piping now. I don't think it's set, I'm not sure, so we're going to see here. Oh, it is set. Okay, so I just put a little bit of mica colors in there, and with the white. I'm just sitting over here. It's kind of doing okay. Right, Kelsey?
Right.
And while we were doing that, me and Kelsey were talking about our giveaway we're going to do for the 500 subscribers. Because we are 416 now. Thank you guys for subscribing. So we were thinking about doing a kit. Brambleberry has really cool kits. Soaper kits and lotion kits and melt and pour. They have all kinds, and also other companies like Nurture Soap and Wholesale Supplies Plus. So we want to know what you guys think about it. Would you like a kit, a soapers kit? Or would you like something different for our giveaway? Because I think that a lot of people that want to learn, they watch our channel and other channels like ours, probably want to learn how to soap, how to make soap. Would you like something like that, or I don't know, something else? But I think that, you know, when I started making soap, I would have loved a nice kit. Stop. Okay, sprayed it a little bit with a little bit of 91% alcohol. And I'm just going to put a little bit of holographic glitter, biodegradable glitter from Brambleberry. And now we're going to put our cute little bananas and stuff. Oh, I think these are too big. I'll put just on the side here. Maybe I put a little, oops, I don't know, I'm going to put this over here. Yeah, these embeds are kind of big for this kind of stuff, but it's okay. I'm going to put them on top. And the banana's going to go on the side. Yeah, I'm going to finish deciding to put these things on, and I'll come back and I'll show you what I did. Alright, so we're going to see you guys in about, I don't know, a couple days probably, because this this soap takes a little bit longer than the usual, especially now that it's humid over here, and it takes a little bit longer to dry. Hello everyone, we're back, and we're gonna cut our monkey fart / fruit salad soap over here. I don't know what we're gonna call it this time because it looks kind of like a fruity thing, right?
Yeah.
So this took forever to get dry. I mean, to get like to get dry enough to take it out of the mold. And I think the reason is because it's very humid right now in Western Washington. Here where we live is really humid. It's raining a lot, and no surprise, we live in the Pacific Northwest, so we know that. We know better. So yeah, it took about what, Kelsey, 4 days?
Yep.
Yeah. So we finally took it out of the mold. It's a little bit soft on the bottom, and I kind of messed up the corners, but I'm going to fix them. Alright, so I cut a little slice over here because it was kind of damaged over there. And see, over here it's a little bit weird, a bit funky over here, but I'm going to fix it. Anyway, let's just cut the first real slice. Okay, let me make sure that I have my wire done right, because I don't think I do. Alright, so let's find out. And there we go. And that's the front. See what's going on here. And ooh, I like the back. What do you think, Kelsey? That is pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
That's kind of, I don't know, what do you think it looks like?
I think it kind of looks like one of those fruit roll-ups.
Fruit roll-ups. I don't know, it kind of looks kind of like a vase thing,
Or like one of those paintings,
Yeah. That's pretty neat. Alright guys, here they are. The bars with all different designs over here. I really like the colors. I really like the way this soap came out. And Kelsey and I decided that maybe we're not going to call it monkey farts because it's so fruity looking and also smells really nice, like fruit salad. That's what we think. So we're going to call it tropical fruit salad soap. And has a little, if you can see it now, I'm going to go a little close up, help my camera focus on it. Has a little bit of eco glitter on it from Brambleberry, the rainbow glitter. I really like that stuff too. And we had a little bit of inspiration also from these beautiful flowers that I found on my market, here in my supermarket, my local supermarket. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give us thumbs up. And if you're subscribed to our channel, thank you very much. And if you're not, please help our channel out by subscribing. Remember, it's free, doesn't cost anything. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video. Bye.